everyone, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be doing an unpacking on the Midnight Posy, and this is the Ballad backpack. And when I got this, I didn't know this came in my bag, but there was two stroller straps that were just tucked in there that I didn't know. So that came with it, and also this lanyard came with it. I didn't know it was in the box, so I didn't mention that on the previous video because I didn't know it was in there. Okay, so I have nothing in the bottom pocket on the side, nothing in the media pocket, but I normally put like my glasses in there if I need to take them off real quick. The side pocket, I have a pen, grocery list, and my wallet, which I can't take out. There we go. So I have this big old wallet. So I can't put the wallet in straight this way because there's not enough room. So I kind of have to like tuck it in under and then push it in so it can fit. Again, I have nothing on the bottle pocket. In the main compartment, so my daughter's a lot older, so I don't really carry much for her, and she goes to like a little school daycare, so she eats there, so I don't need to carry food with her. But I still carry, I'm gonna put this in my car, extra earmuffs. She loves to wear earmuffs, so this is an extra one in case she forgets hers. I'll do the center. So in this one, which you guys probably seen in a previous video, I use my daughter's stuff, but for this one I'm using my like tech stuff in a way. I have a battery pack, my earbuds for when I go to the gym, and the outlet, the plug for my iPad Pro that's in here. So I keep that all in there. And way down here, in this big old bag, is my makeup. So when we leave in the morning, I don't wear any makeup, and then I put my makeup later on after I drop her off. And so this has a bunch of my makeup. So I'm not gonna show you guys because it is a lot of stuff in there. All right, so on the inside, it looks like this. If you guys can see it. So here I have 3 diapers in the size 6, and these are like the Costco brand, and some wipes. So I have 3 of them. It's pretty snug in there, so you kind of have to like wiggle it in there. And then this one I just kind of have to fold to the side just to get it in there. Right here I have a book. It's a small book, but it's like one of those cheesy romance ones. I'm reading one of those. And the change pad that came with it, I have it folded in here. And my iPad Pro fits perfect in there. And I got like a little pencil, but if it's just the right size in there. I don't know the size of this, and I actually needed a bag to take this with me. So this bag worked out really, really well. And yeah, that is everything I have for me and my daughter. Of course, my daughter doesn't need much stuff, but if we were to do like an outing or something, I would put in a bag of snacks and stuff and just take out my makeup. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.